Hello, I'm doing my Excel number 4 on Unix lab. It's all about the base conversion using the scale scripting. So it is to convert decimal to binary or binary to decimal, octal to hexel, hexel to octa, and decimal to hexa. So in order to it, we just go to the code. So here's the first program to convert decimal to binary. We just need to enter the decimal value in order to be converted to the binary, and it has been initialized to the DEC deck, and where it checks the condition whether deck is equal to 0. If so, then it will proceed. Then there it checks whether it is modulus to 2. If it is like that, it will initialize the value into the A. If it is not, or else it will divide with 2, and it will convert into the binary where the value will be stored in the A. So so we goes to the code under the binary number. We get the decimal number as 7. We are going to the next program on converting octal to the hexadecimal. So here is the code for converting octal to hexadecimal. Enter the octal number. It will be initialized to oct, and we assign the value of I and dec as 0 0. And you've seen the while condition we used whether the octal number is equal to 0. If else not, it will proceed to the condition. It will be modulus to the 10 and dec will be modulus of I by divide into by $a, and it will be it checks with the I initialized with the 0, so it will be incremented with 1, and it checks whether the octal is modulus by divide by 10. Then it goes to the further condition whether to check whether the decimal number is equal to 0. So it checks whether, and it checks it is modulus to the 16. Then it goes to the if condition. It checks for the 9, 10, 11 whether the given uh, decimal number octal number is favor to the 11, 12, whether it is equal to 12, 13, 14 as similar wise. So it is given, then it will given as represented as E and F. Then it will get printed as where the deck has been store the value where it is divided by 16, so it gets printed with hexadecimal. So here is output for it. Octal. So it gives the hexa value as the F4 asset. So we will go for the next one. Uh, in order to convert hexadecimal to the octal, we just write hexal to the octal. We enter the hexa number where it is read as hexa, where we initialize the value as dec and j as 0, and it will convert with the hexa and co -1. So it will go to the while condition, check whether the j is equal to the whether the initialized value co do condition has been used, so it will go in the case 1. So it checks the condition for the for 0. It checks for the condition till whether the 16 uh, dollar I divide into dollar a plus dollar dec, whether it stores the it checks whether the hexa is converted to octal. It checks whether it is a hexa value, that's why it will use as 16 over here. Then it checks for the another value. It's for the 2 3 4 5 6 till similarly on a b c d e and f, and then uh, the I used, whether I -1 over the j which has been incremented, so it is added with the +1, and it used the while condition whether the deck is equal to 0, so it continued the function, and it checked whether it is modulus to 8, and it divides by 8, then it will be printed with the octal value from the hexadecimal. So it gives the octal value. Then going back to the writing as hexa value as uh, hexa value as f, and then we convert next one we will gonna convert decimal to hexa value. So in that we have to enter the decimal number, and it is being initialized with deck, and we use the while condition whether the deck is equal to 0. If it is so, it will go to the if condition, whether it checks for 9 10 a b c d e f. If it checks whether it is equal to 10 11 12 13 14 e, so it will be convert by divide by 16 and get the hexa value, and it is stored in the hex. So it gives the hexa value as 17. So it has 56, so it gives the hexa value as. So this ends my extra number 4 on Unix lab. Thank you.